Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Microsoft Clarity from affiliate landing pages. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall Microsoft Clarity from your affiliate landing pages, begin by accessing your website's admin dashboard. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to the section that manages your website's plugins or scripts. If you are using a content management system like WordPress, go to the Plugins section. Locate the Microsoft Clarity plugin in the list. Click on Deactivate to temporarily disable the plugin. After deactivation, find the option to delete the Microsoft Clarity plugin. Confirm the deletion when prompted. If you added the Clarity tracking code directly to your theme, access the theme editor. Look for the header or footer.php file based on where the code was added. Search for the Microsoft Clarity tracking script within the code. Once located, carefully remove the entire script. Be cautious not to delete any other essential code. After making the changes, click Update to save the file. Next, check your site's source code to ensure the Microsoft Clarity script is no longer present. To do this, right-click on your landing page and select View Page Source. Use the search function to look for Microsoft Clarity in the code. If you find no references, the uninstallation is complete. Finally, monitor your site's performance to confirm that Clarity has been successfully removed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.